Pay attention if you have TPS for one of these countries. I tell you what you need to do at the end of this video. The Ninth Circuit just ended one of the lawsuits keeping TPS alive. Here's what you need to know. So in 2018, the Trump administration tried to terminate TPS for El Salvador, Haiti, Honduras, Nepal, Nicaragua, and Sudan. A series of lawsuits were filed to protect immigrants with TPS from these countries. One of those cases was the Ramos case in the Ninth Circuit. Last fall, things weren't looking so great for immigrants with TPS from these countries, but in November 2022, the Biden administration extended TPS for these countries until June 30th, 2024. On June 29th, 2023, the Ninth Circuit ended this lawsuit. Here's why that happened. First, the Biden administration redesignated TPS for Haiti twice, and it currently ends August 3rd, 2024. It also designated TPS for Sudan, which currently ends June 30th, 2024. And in June 2023, they canceled the Trump administration's termination of TPS for these countries and extended them to the expiration dates you see here. Because of these actions, the Department of Homeland Security asked the appeals court to dismiss the case, and it did. It now goes back to a federal court in California that'll decide whether the case is now moot because of these actions. But people with TPS don't think that this case is resolved yet because it doesn't really prevent a future administration from terminating TPS in the same way that Trump did. So if you have TPS for one of these countries, here's what you need to do. Number one, make sure you re-register your TPS. TPS registration is open for a lot of countries right now. So if you're from one of those countries, here's the dates you need to pay attention to. Number two, if you entered the United States undocumented, consider traveling on TPS. It may make you eligible to get your green card in the US. Number three, before you do anything immigration related on your case, chat with an immigration attorney like me to make sure that you understand all of your options and any risks that you may have. What do you think should happen to TPS? Let me know in the comments.